Sensors show batches at 500 grams, right on target. Confirmed. Throughput holding steady at 200 kilos per hour. Air califiers lift lighter impurities, while heavier beans fall onto conveyors. An overhead view reveals particles moving in controlled streams through transparent ducts. Optical sensors detect subtle color variations in the bean stream. Air jets precisely remove defective beans at high speed. Adjusting through and monitoring ensures peak industrial performance. Heated air is circulating evenly. Adjusting set pointing at 30 degrees for optimal drying. Roller speed is steady, beans are drying uniformly. Suction's pulling the chaff clean. Pressure stable, check the collectors. Filters are clear, bins at 60%. Good, keep the flow steady. Freshly roasted beans travel via conveyor to stabilization silos, where automated systems regulates consistent flavor profiles and demonstrates industrial efficiency in coffee production.
Sample collected, proceeding to inspection. Color looks consistent, checking aroma now. Aroma is rich and uniform. Size is good too. Sample approved for roast quality.
Flow rate on line 2 looks steady. Keep it at this level. Confirmed, hopper is clear, no obstructions. Good, monitor the feed density, we want consistent grind. Particle size holding steady at 50%. Increasing grind setting to 60%. Uniform grounds achieved, efficiency is optimal. Adjusting the ratio for a bolder profile. Increasing the dark roast, copy that, opening the valve to match. Blending looks consistent. Conveyor flow is stable, grounds are transferring clean. Confirmed, hopper levels are rising evenly, no contamination. Coffee bags pass through heated sealing bars, ensuring airtight closure. This tracking shot follows the workflow, highlighting industrial efficiency. Automated sensors and cameras scan each package for integrity. Defective viaduct rejected from the line. Monitor shows a leak, confirming the process. Ensuring workflow integrity.
Adhesive is setting well. No bubbles. Tape reinforcement is secure. Next box.
Automated printers apply batch and date codes to cartons with precision.
No issues.
High-speed print heads mark cartons as they move along the line.
Next batch ready. Check the alignment on that stack. Looks good. Confirmed. Stable and precise. Proceed. Machine securing this load tightly. Check the wrap consistency. Confirmed. The film tension is even across all sides. Good. Proceed to the next pallet for wrapping. Understood. Moving to inspection. Transferring to bay 12. Clear on the right. Proceed. Pallet secure. Reversing.
In climate-controlled zones, pallets are stored to maintain optimal product quality. Workers monitor these systems. This efficient workflow enables continuous logistics across the facility. In the warehouse, workers scan pallet codes as goods move along conveyor systems.
Scan complete. Code verified.
This integrated system ensures real-time tracking and inventory accuracy.
Order 4782. Pallet from rack A12. Let's move. On it. Moving to conveyor. Good. Forklift. Next pallet to bay 5. Copy. Smooth flow. Keep it up. Clear on the left. Bring it forward. Copy that. Positioning now. Set it down easy. Perfect now. Cargo secured. Good to go. Truck 1, proceed to gate. All clear. Copy that. Truck 2, ready at bay. Gate secure. Next truck advance. Convoy flowing smoothly. Monitor traffic. Okay, bring the next pallet forward to the conveyor.
Got it. Guiding it onto the belt now.
Looks good. Keep the line moving.
Next truck is ready. Moving to bay 4.
Automated systems sort cartons by destination routes. Workers monitor sorting accuracy in real time. Diverter arms redirect boxes with precision.
Load these cartons carefully. Check for damage. Securing the front stack now. Straps tight. Load is secure. Pallet coming in. Clear the way. This goes to aisle 3.
Cart is full, moving out.
Okay, align these beverages here. Got it. Spacing looks good. Now for the snacks. Perfect alignment. This section is complete. Great. Let's head out with these.
They look perfect. Thanks for the tour.
You're welcome. Glad you enjoyed it. Yeah, impressive setup. Cycle initiated. Pressure at 1200 psi. Flow is optimal. No blockages. Source and fresh inspection clear. Rinse and ready. Boiler pressure holding at 220 psi. Steam output optimal. Energy unit is stable. Routing power to roasters. Adjusted feed. Full production capacity.
Wastewater from industrial washing enters the treatment units. Here, a multi-layer filter precisely removes all impurities. The purified water is then recycled back into the system. Throughput is up, holding at 98%. Confirmed. Error rate is 0. Alert on station 4. Check it.
Rerouting now, anomaly cleared.
Resume full monitoring. Initiating flavor profile test on batch QC 456.
Aroma is consistent with premium roast notes.
pH and Brix readings are within spec.